Standard 4. My school name is ZP Primary School, Moitewadi. Story 2. Mightier than the sword. Once there was a big road connected to a nearby village. The villagers would go through that road to sell their farm goods in the city. Due to poor construction, the road became very bad over the years. There were many potholes and many accidents took place on that road. एका छोट्या गावाला जोडणारा एक मोठा रस्ता होता. गावकरी त्या रस्त्यावरून आपला शेतमाल विकण्यासाठी शहरात विकण्यासाठी जात असत. निकृष्ट बांधकामामुळे वर्षापूर्वी तो रस्ता अत्यंत खराब झाला होता. त्यावर अनेक खड्डे पडले असून अनेक अपघात होत असत. The villagers were very angry with the local government and started protesting against them. They blocked the road and didn't allow anyone to pass through that road. Whenever a government official approached them, the villagers used violence to protest against them. Soon the protest turned into riot and the village road became unsafe. ग्रामस्थ स्थानिक सरकारवर प्रचंड संतापले. त्यांनी त्यांचा विरोध सुरू केला. त्यांनी तो रस्ता अडवला आणि कोणालाही त्या रस्त्यावर जाऊ दिले नाही. जेव्हा जेव्हा एखादा सरकारी अधिकारी त्या गावाकडे यायचा तेव्हा ते त्याचा विरोध हिंसाचार करत होते. आंदोलनाचे स्वरूप दंगली झाले आणि गावचा रस्ता असुरक्षित झाला. The protesting villagers didn't realize they were creating more problems for themselves. It was difficult to travel on the road because of the poor quality, but it was still possible. But now the riots made it impossible to travel on it. आंदोलक ग्रामस्थांना हे समजत नव्हते की ते आपल्या स्वतःसाठी समस्या निर्माण करीत आहे. तत्पूर्वी निकृष्ट दर्जामुळे प्रवास करणे शक्य होते, पण आता दंगलीमुळे प्रवास करणे अशक्य झाले. Many villagers were even scared to come out of their homes. The farmers could not sell their farm goods in the city, because of which there was no income. अनेक गावकरी घराबाहेर पडायला घाबरत होते. उत्पन्न नसण्यासाठी गावकरी आपला शेतमाल शहरात विकण्यासाठी जाता येत नव्हते. And then a young boy in the village who had just completed his education saw everything and decided to do something about it. He remembered his English class. His teacher told him a story about how the failed. आणि मग त्या गावातील एका तरुण मुलाचे नुकते शिक्षण झालेल्या तरुण मुलाने हे पाहिले आणि त्याने काहीतरी करायचे ठरवले.